The Australian Transport Safety Bureau has published its preliminary report into the mid-air collision involving two Eurocopter EC-130B4 helicopters operating scenic flights from SeaWorld Helicopters Base on the Gold Coast, Queensland. This animation has been developed using preliminary data for illustrative purposes only. It is not to be used for further analysis. Shortly before 2 p.m. on the 2nd of January 2023, helicopter X-Ray Hotel 9 departed from helipad number 3 on a 5-minute scenic flight with a pilot and 5 passengers on board. Concurrently, at a separate helipad within the SeaWorld theme park, helicopter X-Ray Kilo Quebec was being loaded with passengers in preparation for a 5-minute scenic flight. Returning via the Broadwater, X-Ray Hotel 9 turned onto a final approach path for a landing back at helipad 3. At this time, X-Ray Kilo Quebec, with a pilot and 6 passengers on board, became airborne, climbing over water in the direction of a sandbar. About 23 seconds into its flight, and at a height of about 130 feet, the helicopters collided. Of the 13 people on board both helicopters, tragically 4 were fatally injured, and 6 were seriously injured. 3 of the other passengers had minor injuries. You can read the preliminary report by searching AO-2023-001 on the ATSB's website.